time to get up and go to the house. I come with snacks.
It's lunchtime. We did our first 2 sheets of plasterboard.
Why whispering?
I don't know.
Before anyone asks, we are actually only putting plasterboard on one side of each wall for the electrician to still come. So you can still come and do this side, so we're not blocking the whole thing up before the electrics are in. Before any of you smart asses say, how the bloody hell are you going to get electrics in? So yeah. Anyway, on to the next wall. Drop a comment below if you want to watch us measuring up a piece of plasterboard. I've got to go, I'm so sorry. So that was a day in the life of renovating Westleton. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, because we're going to be doing more videos like this of what we get up to as we go. So yeah, there we are. Load of plaster and stud walls put up today, and we'll crack on with the rest soon. Say goodbye.